The word order in a German sentence. Some tricks and examples from a real-life communication. At the end of the video, you will have the opportunity to make up and check some sentences to make sure you really understand this topic. So, make notes, get comfortable, and learn German with pleasure. Direct word order. Look at these examples. Ich habe eine große Wohnung. I have a big flat. Er kommt am Abend nach Hause. He comes home in the evening. So, in the first place, we always have the subject. I mean, in the direct word order. So, number one, subject. In the second place, predicate, the verb. Ich habe, er kommt. And then, objects, attributes or adverbial modifier. Große Wohnung, am Abend, nach Hause. So, this is the direct word order. Subject, predicate, verb, and then object, attribute, adverbial modifier. Indirect word order. Just look. Er kommt am Abend nach Hause. He comes home in the evening. This is direct word order, and this is indirect word order. Interesting is that the meaning is the same. The meaning isn't changed. Nach Hause kommt er am Abend. So these sentences have similar meaning. Er kommt am Abend nach Hause and nach Hause kommt er am Abend. It's just different ways of saying the same thing. Number one, object, attribute, adverbial modifier. Nach Hause. Number two, predicate, verb. Kommt. Then subject, er, and then object, attribute, adverbial modifier if there are any. Now, let's practice. So, direct versus indirect word order. Sie kocht Suppen nicht gern. She cooks soups not willingly. It's word-to-word translation. Suppen kocht sie nicht gern. Er macht seine Musik oft zu laut. He often makes his music too loud. Let's take seine Musik. Seine Musik macht er oft zu laut. Wir schlafen am Wochenende lange. We sleep late on the weekends. Let's take am Wochenende. Am Wochenende schlafen wir lange. And don't forget, the meaning is the same. Now it's your turn. Transform these sentences with the direct word order into indirect. Du machst diese Aufgabe zu lange. You're doing this task for too long. The correct answer is: Diese Aufgabe machst du zu lange. Ann hat morgen Deutsch und Mathe. Ann has German and math tomorrow. Your answer is: Morgen hat Ann Deutsch und Mathe. But it can also be Deutsch und Mathe hat Ann morgen. So you can make up 3 different sentences. Ann hat morgen Deutsch und Mathe. Morgen hat Ann Deutsch und Mathe. Deutsch und Mathe hat Ann morgen. Ihr habt bald 3 Wochen Ferien. You'll have 3 weeks of vacation soon. Let's take bald, soon. Bald habt ihr 3 Wochen Ferien. So, your task is just to remember the scheme. First, second, and the third place. Hope this video was useful and interesting for you. Subscribe so you don't miss new informal lessons and learn German with pleasure. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Alles Gute.